Between work, parenting, and everyday responsibilities, we found ourselves craving a break. We wanted to unplug and reconnect with nature, so we decided to escape the chaos and head to Monga Mountain Retreat, an off-grid cabin nestled in the serene wilderness just outside of Braidwood.
Home sweet home for the night, or 2 nights.
Oh my gosh. Let's move in.
Our accommodation was basic in the best way possible. It was filled with oddities to keep the mind busy, had a beautiful, comfortable bed, and a wood fireplace for ambience and to keep us warm. We had a tiny kitchen which was perfect for preparing simple meals, and the bathroom, well, that was a little interesting, but I'll get to that later. It didn't take long for Owen to settle in and cuddle up for a nap. While Owen napped, we thought it was the perfect time to get that fireplace roaring. Hello from Braidwood. So we drove all the way from our home in Newcastle and it took us about 6 hours. So by the time we had crossed a river crossing and got here, this little guy, he was very tired. So he had a nap while Nick got the fire going, had a bit of a silent disco and a drink. And now the sun's setting, Nick's behind me cooking dinner in the world's cutest little cozy tiny cabin. So we've just had the realization that it's an off-grid cabin, great. But we are making recipes that were online and they're in ounces and we have no idea what 1 ounce is. So on the menu tonight we have vodka pasta. So hilariously we're guessing ounces of not only tomato paste but vodka. So that could get interesting.
I think you're going to have something else for dinner.
Yeah, baked beans for Owen maybe, just in case. But yes, we've got fire cooking happening over there. Tiny little kitchen.
Tiny little hob thing here.
And because of the fire, I'm just keeping a really close eye on this little guy. Too much energy. I'm buggered. Sounds very moist. You got cheese? After dinner, we went to do some stargazing.
Wow. Owen's just realised that there's stars in the sky. Stars.
Stars, good boy.
Do you like them, Owen?
Wow.
Star, yeah, that's right.
And after an unsuccessful wombat hunt, it was time for bed.
Yeah, they sniffed at the smells and they snooped at each door when suddenly out of the shadows they saw...
Prepare to be super hungry after seeing what we had for breakfast. So we've gotten up and had a beautiful cafe style breakfast and a massive sleep in till about 8 o'clock, which is huge for us. And we've decided to go on a bit of a drive through Monga National Park. Monga. I'm always like double checking because I never know where we are. Yeah, bub, I can hear you in the back. And then we're going to head into the town of Braidwood and let Owen have a play in the park if this weather holds up.
What is that?
Fish!
Fish! captain's
So
call.
pretty much the whole reason that we went into town was because we forgot basil, which is growing abundantly in our garden at home. So this is $5.60 worth of basil. So I think we're gonna have to use a lot in tonight's dinner. Nap time is going well.
So that's where we crossed in the car to get through.
So this is all like part of the property that we're staying at. So we've just gone for a tiny short walk straight out our door. And you've got your beautiful
Crystal clear river.
There is.
Are we? Platypus. Where?
In the water.
Platypus.
In the water. We wouldn't see any with you. You're too big.
Yeah, no. So clear.
I think this is better than nap time, according to Owen. Hey? This is more interesting. Fair, it is.
Ready? You go through this one. Ready? Go.
We're making boats, are we?
More.
More.
Ready? Ready? Whee! Here it goes. Woo.
Anyone want to take a guess at how many leeches I had on me after that walk? Just 2. Probably should have given you the tour on day 1 when we got in and it was all clean. But anyway, Owen was asleep. So you get what you get and you don't get upset, right? Here is the bed and sleeping quarters. Most of the night, the 3 of us are in here, but Owen does spend a couple of hours in there. The little cot kind of doubles as like a playpen during the day. I don't know why, but he feels like it's super entertaining to be in there, so happy with that. Wood fireplace, which we were stoking all night. It's super nice and warm, but you do have to get up a little bit through the night to put wood on. It's worth it. It's so nice and ambient. Shower with a view. And one of the more unique toilets that we've used, let's just say it separates the liquids from the solids. It's an off-grid cabin, so I'll just leave the rest to your imagination.
Oh yeah, and our cute little kitchen. Let's make a snack.
Good job. Yum.
And just to clarify, this is cider and not a very generous glass of white wine.
It's just a huge savvy bee.
And only a few hours too late, Owen decided he was finally ready for his nap. Time for a sunset walk.
Risotto chef. Completely made up quantities, just like at home. You what? Show me your little slipper. Toasty. Any birds? Looking for birds. Yeah. Nick's just kicking the car over. We're all packed up and ready to go. It was such an awesome cabin stay. We were a little apprehensive about the fireplace with Owen being so little, But honestly, we didn't make a fuss about it and he didn't really seem interested, which was such a win. But really refreshing winter stay. As you can hear, we're all a little bit sick, so it was kind of the perfect stay where we did a whole lot of nothing.
She was a cool one this morning. 1 degree at 8:30, so I would imagine it probably got below zero.
It was toasty in there. It
Very,
wasn't cold
very
at all.
toasty.